While watching this video, you will dive into the wonderful world of chocolate brownie and go on an unforgettable journey to the peaks of taste. Are you ready to join this delicious adventure? The secret lies in the perfect dough. Ingredients like chocolate, flour, eggs, and butter blend together to create a flavor explosion. The techniques you'll learn in this section will serve as a gateway to the mysterious world of brownies. In the flavor journey of the brownie, the role of chocolate is inevitable. High-quality dark chocolate forms the intense and rich taste of the brownie. This amazing batter, filled with chocolate chunks, will tantalize your taste buds and start your sweet journey on a high note. In the third section, you'll witness the birth of the brownie. The amazing aromas wafting through your home as it bakes will turn your kitchen into a chocolate paradise. The steam rising from the golden brown result will delight your senses and transport you to the peaks of flavor. The presentation of the brownie is an art form. Slices of brownie are arranged on a cake-like plate and garnished with powdered sugar. Served alongside is a scoop of vanilla ice cream, adding the final touch to elevate your experience. Here you have it, the enchanting world of chocolate brownies. I hope this video has taken you on a sweet flavor journey and brightened your taste buds. By subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and sharing your thoughts in the comments, you can join in on our culinary adventures. Remember, every like and comment is valuable to us and helps us grow. Now head to the kitchen, try out this magnificent recipe, and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to follow our channel and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!